Maman po ni siya nagkamang ka.
Chill-chill naman ko, boss. Kaya naman ko yung anting-anting ni Lolo. Bas niya pala maigo ko, matay ko.
Man anting-anting niya naggupo.
Go. Asa man ni Bay Clifford. Tawagan ko na. Hello, sir.
Why you call me? Why you call me?
Because your parcel is here to the Kalabungan.
Yeah. Oy, my parcel is here. Oh, I can bang the bullet and you can hear that is follow me. Okay. Ay, likos. Uy, it's a bullet. I follow you. Boss, I'm here. Where are you? Oy, the rider. I'm here. Give me my parcel. This is your parcel. Please eat here. Okay, go. Go. Oy, my parcel is here. Thank you for coming. Okay. Maman po ni si Bay Clifford. Nagtaka-taka naman po ni siya order parcel. Alright, ma. Don't vote me because I'm human. Go. Maman po mong duha.
Nga naman po mo nagsubot na to. Yan lang kontra.
So ayan guys, manimig vlog sa among kabuang nila Abay Nikmar o Abay Nikmal. Kaming tulo din mo yung tig video. Kana nagbarug-barug ra skill dito mo yung character oh. So guys, babay na ninyo tanan guys. Mora ni siyo to soyo. See you to the moon. Road trip boom boom. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.